Kansas City market, railing, you need railing if you have a structure that's 30 inches or taller from the ground. If you're less than 30 inches in elevation, it's up to the homeowner whether they want railing or not. Once you get above that 30-inch mark, you are required to have 36-inch tall handrail, and that is good for up to 2 stories. Once you get above a second story, you have to upgrade to a commercial graded 42-inch tall handrail. And we offer both options in standard aluminum hand railing. We can do wood hand railing for wood decks. You can do cable railing. We've done a couple glass railings on decks. Again, it's a homeowner preference. There's some factors that go into which railing you should probably choose. If you got little kids, you probably want to consider going with a vertical cable rail if you want cable railing rather than a horizontal. The reason being, kids like to climb, so you have a little step ladder for them. With horizontal cable railing, you run that risk, and some municipalities around here have actually eliminated horizontal cable railing usage for that reason.